back on our flight to Singapore. So here we go.
Cheers.
Let's go to Thailand, everybody.
Party time.
Party time. They've just towed the airplane to a different gate, so we're now exiting gate 85.
Go. We're on the plane, ready to go.
There we are, all set in the middle.
Morning. What is it? Nearly 3 o'clock in the
1
morning.
o'clock in the morning.
No, it's 3 o'clock our time.
Yeah, but it's 1 o'clock here in
1
Singapore.
o'clock here in Singapore, and it's about 3 in our time. Nearly there.
How's the meal?
Good. Yeah, not bad at all. Carrot. Mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
Yep.
Red roll.
Sure with that. We're finally here. It's 11:30 their time. Songtown. Now I know. I keep remembering now. All we're interested in today is to go to unit collapse. We haven't been to bed for about
24 hours.
no more than that. 20.
Stuck in the middle of the road. So I just picked up some vegan food at the Manor Centre for dinner. It was hard for me to find some, but then I found a place that only has vegan, and they've got lots of options that we can try. So we've got some noodles, we've got some sort of burger each, which is made with some sort of mushrooms. We got sticky rice, and I bought 3 drinks. So there were 2 coconut waters and a sugarcane juice. That was $100, so it's $4 for the 3 drinks. And the food, so the noodles, sticky rice and the 2 burgers was 140 baht. So it's like $4.40 or something like that. So there, we're going to eat this and then we're going to crash because we're tired as, and we've just fought the traffic to get to the Manor Centre with all the dust and all the noise and all the hassle. These are our shots. I've got a detox shot. Dad's got a flu shot.
Young in the flu shot.
A salad.
A salad.
And you pick your own toppings. We've got 5 free toppings. So Dad's having the flu shot. What's in it, darling?
The main thing that's really kicking is the ginger and the garlic.
garlic. Very
There must
strong.
be a clove in here. And the ginger, got one hell of a kick in it.
This is nice. It's got the beetroot for detox. My shake that I got, they put soy milk in. It's got peanut butter, and I can't remember what else. Just the lychee soda. Nice.
Very nice.
This is mine. It's got peanut butter in it. We've had a salad, the wrap. We've had 2 shots, a smoothie, a lychee drink, and it all comes to a grand total of 20 Australian dollars.
We're really blowing the budget. Songtown ride.
Yeah. Stuck in traffic. Don't you love it?
Good that way, isn't it?
On our way to the shopping centre with some aircon. Come here often, stranger.
Hello, gorgeous.
May I sit down with you and have
You
dinner?
sure may, my dear.
Okay, I've got some mushroom soup here. On the menu it's made with milk. And what he was going to do was make it with coconut milk, and then he found he didn't have any coconut milk. So he came out and asked me if it's okay to have it just plain, just with stock or the water. I said, yeah, that's fine. So I was a little bit hesitant on what it would taste like, but this is divine. So he needs to put it on the menu. Cheers. So my first dish, I've got a falafel wrap, tomato sauce, salad, and some chippies.
And I've got nothing.
It's got nothing. I got your lychee drink, and I got a lemon tea.
Yes.